Pokey? What's going on?
It's not what's going, it's what's coming! A gharial crocodile!
Nosy! Look out!
Yes!
Schnozzle!
Schnozzle, you did it! You're a hero! What a rescue!
Oh no, Schnozzle! You okay?
He's hurt. Schnozzle?
He's banged up really badly.
We gotta get him back to the HQ. We can fix him up there.
Uh-oh. But the troop depends on him.
I know, but we don't have any choice.
Without Schnozzle, who's gonna be the one and only adult male of the troop?
I don't know.
Who's going to protect the troop from predators like the Gharial?
I don't know.
Who's going to be Schnozzle while Schnozzle's gone?
I know.
What?
You are!
Me? Hey, I know I like to monkey around, but taking his place? I have no idea what to do.
Ah, but the troop's counting on you. I'll be back in a flash. Hang on, Schnozzle.
Okay. I'll start with one of those Kerhonk sounds to show everybody that I can do this. Ooh, that was my first try. I'll get better, I hope.
We've got a proboscis monkey that needs some help here.
Which one?
Schnozzle. He took a big fall. Martin's keeping the troop together until this guy recovers.
We'll fix you up, Schnozzle. Just relax.
You'll feel right at home here in this tree.
Oh, he's a valuable monkey. Proboscis monkeys are one of the most endangered of all monkeys.
It says here that their forest home is being cut down. The forests where proboscis monkeys live are getting smaller every year.
Wow, no wonder they're endangered.
That's why we've got to protect this troop. Don't worry, Schnozzle. We'll keep everybody safe until you get back.
That's what happens when the circuit board gets caked in mud. I replaced it, so your suit's good to go again.
Thanks. I gotta get back out there.